Hey, what's up bros? So for my rear sway bar install, you saw it in my last video, I have to took off my top secret diffuser, and I thought this is the perfect moment to show you my custom mounting brackets. I think every C owner who has installed this top secret diffuser knows the struggle to bolt it on. You have to hold it in position, grab around the bumper and try to bolt it on from both sides. This is shit. And the next problem is that you have a huge gap between the rear bumper and the diffuser. And the aluminum brackets corroded after a few weeks. So these are shit, and that's the reason why I designed my own one. Okay, these brackets I changed with stainless steel brackets, and the center bracket, this U bracket, I changed it with a POM piece. So it got nutsets for the diffuser here, and on the other side it got nutsets to mount it on the rear bumper. So this is bolted on from the rear bumper backside, and you can easily bolt on the diffuser from the outside, but I'll show you this on the car. This is the CARBON-KEVLAR top secret diffuser made by Shine Automotive Project. I think it's the only Kevlar top secret diffuser here in Germany, and it's wrapped with ivory black brushed foil because the Kevlar looks a kind of greenish and that doesn't match to my color concept. So with that being said, let's have a look how the diffuser mount on the car with my custom brackets. These nuts are welded and also made of stainless steel, so no rust, and you can easily mount the diffuser just from one side without holding them with a wrench or anything.